say good evening to you. I'll show you. You have to tell. Okay? Don't unmute. Okay? Shall I show? Ready? Hi, Lakshraj. Good evening, Lakshraj. I'm going to show who is coming to see you. See you. See you. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Who is this? Yes, it's Pepper. Pepper has come to say good evening to you. You remember we had small Pepper earlier, a small one, right? Now it's been 1 month, so this Pepper has grown to a big boy now. So previously he was a small boy. He was watching TV for a long time. Now he has grown into a big boy. He had healthy food. Now he's little taller. So now he's going to go to school. He's a big boy now. Say hi to Pepper. Hi, children of senior KG. He's saying hi. Okay.
Hi, Pepper.
Okay. Pepper will come back. We have a story time today. Okay. He'll come and tell us his story. Okay. That time we'll see him back again. Okay. So now what we'll do is quickly mark our attendance. Ready, children? Okay, Adya.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Araf.
Here I am,
Akshat.
ma'am. Here I am, ma'am.
Arjun. Hi, Arjun. Did you join us today, Arjun? Arjun, I think Arjun has not joined yet. Okay, we'll wait. Dayanand.
Here I am.
Gautam. Gautam. Did Gautam join us? Okay, I think he's yet to join. Grutvik.
Here I am.
Very good, Grutvik. Jayakrish.
Here I am, ma'am.
Who's that one more? Here I am.
Come on.
Okay. Kaushik.
Here I am, ma'am.
Kavin. Kavin, no. Kavin, Kavin, are you here? No, I don't think so.
Not yet joined, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Kumara Guruparan.
Here I am, ma'am. Here I am, ma'am.
Lakshita ji.
Here I am, ma'am.
Lakshraj.
Here I am.
Lisha. Okay. Lakshita S. Hey, what happened? Did we started on time, right? Okay. Let them join. Okay.
Lakshita joined, ma'am, already. Lakshita, yes.
She joined, but I don't know. She's not responding.
She's joined. I only put
Okay.
on mute.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. Then Satvik.
Here I am.
Nivin Surya. Roshan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Mahaswan.
Here I am,
Rayan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Acharan.
Here I am.
Izan. Izan.
Not yet joined, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Shiva.
Good evening. Here I am.
Varnika.
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay, Varnika, how was your birthday yesterday?
Dolly.
Jolly. You cut cake?
Yes.
Okay. You are happy? You were happy yesterday?
Yes.
What about today? Today, are you not happy? You're happy? Okay. Even Sai. Even Sai? Say here I am.
Here I am.
Good, even Sai. Okay. Thank you so much, children. I think a few people will be joining us shortly. Before that, we'll quickly do our yoga exercise. Okay. So yesterday, you remember I showed you a picture, kangaroo pose. You all remember? Shravan, you want to say something?
Ma'am.
Even sir, who wants to say something? Ma'am, I can hear, but I don't know who's talking. Okay. Okay. So quickly we'll do that kangaroo pose. I'll show you the pose again. Ma'am is going to stand. You're going to look at me and do. How we'll do? First we'll stand up. Yes. Legs you should stretch your legs. See, ma'am will show you now. Give me a second. I'm going to find Radha ma'am in the list. I'm going to pin her. Okay. So you're able to see me? See, my legs are here. You have to stretch your legs. Legs no closing legs. Open the legs. Okay. And then bend your knees. Hands like this, like a kangaroo. And then you're going to hop. Okay. Stretch your legs. Don't close your legs. You're going to open your legs. Yes. Hop. Hands like this, like a kangaroo. Okay. Open your legs. Bend your knees. And then hop. 5 times. Okay. Ready? First stand properly. Children, we are going to do with our friends. We are not going to do alone. Okay. All our friends are there. They're going to see how my other friends are doing. So we're going to do together. Okay. Stand up, stand up. Kaushik, stand up. Yes. So what first step? Legs. Open your legs. Open your legs. Not so wider. Little. Open your legs. First open your legs. Okay. Have your hands like this. Have your hands like this. Bend your knees. Bend your knees. Half sit. Yes, half sit. Roshan, if you widen your legs, you will fall down. Little bit. Close. Little bit. Yes, little bit. Okay. Hands together. Hop. 1. Hop once. 2. Very good, Lakshra. It's very nice looking like this. 2, 3. You're going to hop. Roshan, hands closer to your body like this. See, ma'am is showing hands. Yeah, very good. Yuvansai, come on, keep doing. 3. Did? 4. Come, Jaykrish, do. Yes, Jaykrish, hop, hop. What happened? 4, 5. Very good. Jaykrish, what happened? Why are you looking sad today? Smile.
I'm fine.
You're fine? Okay. Okay, come to your place, children. Come to your place, come to your place. Very good. Okay, this is called kangaroo pose. Okay, Safra. Today you like this kangaroo pose? Comparatively today, many people did very nicely. Very good hopping. Okay. So now all your foods have got digested, whatever you ate, the lunch. Yes? Okay, now we are going to do breathing exercise. Okay? So what we do is breathing exercise. First, we'll close our eyes. Okay? Just listen to what ma'am is saying. Okay? Close your eyes. When I say breathe in, you're all going to breathe lot of fresh air. When I say breathe out, you're going to give out all the bad air. Okay? Ready, children? Close your eyes. You want to close your eyes? Ready? Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Count. After breathing in, count 1, 2, and then breathe out. Okay? Let's start. Breathe in. 1, 2. Breathe out. Last time. Breathe in. 1, 2. Breathe out. Keep your eyes closed. Open your eyes slowly. Slowly open your eyes. Okay. Ready. Okay. So, everybody open your eyes. Anybody sleeping? Rayan, please open your eyes. We are done. Yes. Okay. So now we are going to sing the rhyme and then we are going to start our class. Tell me, who is calling me, ma'am?
Jaykrish,
Yeah, tell me.
I'm drinking
Yeah,
water.
you can drink water. No problem. Drink water. Hi, Gautam. Good evening, Gautam.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Okay. So we'll sing the rhyme. Quickly, we'll sing the rhyme. Okay. Fly, fly, butterfly. We'll start with fly, fly, butterfly. Fly, fly. butterfly. Your hands are free, right? You don't have anything in hand. Then wave your hands, flap your hands like butterfly. Fly, fly. Fast, we are going to sing. Welcome, Arjun. Fast, we are going to sing. Ready? Fly, fly, butterfly. In the garden, fly away. Over all pretty flowers. Fly, fly, butterfly. Faster version. Okay, one more time fast. Fly, fly, butterfly. In the garden, fly away. Over all pretty flowers. Fly, fly, butterfly. Okay. Now, God's love. Okay, like God's love, we'll sing fast today. Daily we're singing it slowly, no? I am getting bored. We'll sing it fast today, okay? Ready, children? God's love. It's so wonderful. God's love. It's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. Laksha, you can open your eyes. It's so high. You can't get over it. It's so deep. You can't get under it. It's so wide. You can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. The last rhyme. What is that rhyme? What is the rhyme? Yes. Yes, Shiva. Very good, Shravan. Yes. Chai Charan, yes. Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Fast, you're going to sing, okay? Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. So, Incy Wincy Spider went up the spout again. Give a big round of clap, children. I'm not seeing many people are not clapping. Why? Roshan, I don't see you clapping. Masin, close your legs, sit properly, my husband. Close your legs. Sit properly. Yes. Okay. So what we'll do, we have done with the rhyme and attendance. First we'll do, okay, first we'll write F. Okay. Yesterday we wrote E alphabet. Today we'll write F and then we'll go with rest of the worksheet. Okay, quickly we'll finish that. So you remember yesterday I sang you one rhyme. Ants on my arm. You remember that rhyme? I'm going to sing again that today and you're going to listen. Okay? Wait. I will just share you the screen. You can see the alphabet and the pictures there. Okay? Okay. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. They're causing me alarm. So first is A. Next is B. B sound. Okay. See B. B. Bring the bat and bring your ball. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Next one, you're going to snap. Snap your fingers, okay? Like this, snapping. We are clicking castanets, We are clicking castanets, We are clicking castanets, We are clicking castanets, Next is what? D. D for drum. D. Okay. See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with the da. See me play upon my drum. D sound. D. Next is E. Eggs. You remember? Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Crack the egg like this. How will your mother crack it and pour it? Like that, crack it. Next one is fish. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It had a hole, air came out with the sound. So when you say F, what sound you should make? Sound, okay? So A sound is a, like ants on my arm. B is bring the baton, bring the ball, b sound. And C is k, k. We are clicking castanets. Okay, k. D is, what is D sound? D. Remember drum. See me play on my drum. That one. Okay. E is e, eggs. Eggs. Okay. F, fish. Okay. So you're ready to write the worksheet? Show me thumbs up. You have to show me thumbs up, both the hands, and say ready. Open your mouth and say ready. Only then I'll start. Let me see how many of you are ready and how many are not ready. Okay. Okay. What about Satvik and Jayakrish is showing me? Okay, it's out of the camera. Okay. We'll start now. Okay, I'm going to show you how to write F and then we are going to write. Okay. Meanwhile, take your worksheet. Today, we didn't finish it yesterday, right? So it's day 21. Okay, I'll show you now. See? I'm sorry, it's day 22. It's day 22, LTWS01. Please take this worksheet. F. We're going to write F today. Fish sound. Okay, fish sound. We're going to write SRD22. Please take this F worksheet, children. And in the rough, please write your name down neatly. See, you have a space to write your name, right? Write small, small, small. Write your name. Start with a capital letter. And then put today's date. What is today's date? I'm just going to write. Today is 15/7/2020. And I'm going to write my name. Okay, I wrote my name and I wrote the date. So you're also going to write your name and date in the worksheet. Are you all with me? Are you all writing? Yes. Shiva, you wrote your name on the worksheet. Have you written today's date? Yes, very good. Yuvansai, pencil out of your mouth. Put today's date in a worksheet. Pencil out of your mouth, Yuvansai. I don't want any of my children to eat pencils. Only food. Healthy food. Okay? No pencils. Okay. Adya ready. Okay. Okay, Jayakrish is ready. Okay. Liksha is ready. Okay. Okay. Kumaragardhan ready? You got your worksheet page ready? Okay. So we're going to write F. Okay. See. How do you write in the normal way? How do you write F? This is normal capital F and this is small f. In cursive, we'll write like this. Capital. This is cursive, capital F, and this is small f. Okay. This is normal capital F, normal small f. This is cursive capital F and cursive small f. Okay. First listen, then you can start writing, children. Everybody keep your pencils down and worksheet down. First listen, then you can start writing. See how ma'am is going to write here. I'm going to write here itself so that is clear for you. So first what you should do, put a small one in the red line. You have red line, no? Red line, two blue lines and a red line. So put a small one, sleeping line. Okay, sleeping line. Come down like 7. You're going to write like 7. Okay. And then put like this. And then a small sleeping line. That is F. Very simple. If you know to write 7, it will be very easy. See, I'm going to write here in the blue line. Put a small one. First listen, then you can write. I'll give you time for writing. No problem. Please listen. Small one. And then a sleeping line. Come down till the red line. Second red line. Small bend like this. And then this. This is capital F. I repeat. A small one. Okay? Yes. Who is calling me? Okay. Anybody had questions? No? Okay. So a small one and then a sleeping line like seven, bend and then a sleeping line here. Easy children. If you know write 7, this will be very easy. Will you all write along with me? See, I'll come and see. Are you writing? Did you all listen first? Did you all listen? Now we will start writing together. Okay? See, let's see who is writing neatly and correctly. Okay, so ma'am is going to start writing now. Ready, get, set, go. Ma'am is going to write. Okay, let's see who is writing with me neatly. First, a small one, sleeping line, 7, bend like this, and then a sleeping line. A small one, sleeping line, like 7, come down, bend, and then a sleeping line. See, this is what is given here. Okay. So I'm going to write one more time. Small one, sleeping line, come down, 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 bend, and then a sleeping line. I wrote F 5 times, okay? 4 times. First one I thought, okay, leave. I'm going to write one more time and check who all are with me, who are all writing like me or better than me. Okay, I'm going to come now. I want to check. Okay. I want to see Arjun is writing, Sai Charan is writing. I think I cannot see him. That's why. Kumara Guruparan is writing, Gautam, Varnika, Shravan. Lakshna, what happened, Jay Krish? Why are you disturbing your mother? You keep writing. I will see now. Did you write, Jay Krish? Okay, right. I'll come and see you. Okay, Yuvan Sai, are you writing? F. Very good, Varnika. Good, Varnika. Varnika wrote and showed me. Very good, Varnika. Shiva, very good, Shiva. You have traced and you have started writing. Very good. Easy, Shiva. F is easy. Shiva, F is easy. Okay, good. I'm not able to see your face, Shiva. Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay, I got it. Yes, Gautam is showing me. Good, Gautam. Keep praising and start writing. Good, very good. Lakshita ji is showing me. Good, Lakshita. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Arjun. Are you writing, Arjun? Good, Arjun. Right. Very nice. Okay, Roshan is writing, Rayan is writing. I'll come back to you people. I'll go and check and come back.
Ma'am.
Yes. You're showing me. Tell me your name. I'll come and check you.
Akshata.
Okay, Arav Akshat, I'm coming to you. Yes. Okay, very good, Akshat. It's nice. Very good, Arav. Neat. Yes, like that. Same one. It looks perfect, Arav.
Kaushik.
Kaushik, show me Kaushik. Good, Kaushik. Your homework was also very neat. I saw your E today. It was nice. I corrected, but I didn't send it. It was neat, Kaushik.
Thank you, Masi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Lakshita, you're showing me. Okay, good, Lakshita. Got the right worksheet. Very good. Keep continuing. Right. Very good. I saw that. Good. Yes, Lakshita, keep tracing and writing. Very good.
Ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Ryan. Show me, Ryan. Okay. Good, Ryan. Yes, Satvik. Satvik, you wrote so much. Okay. The second one alone, you didn't bend, no? Can you just bend it?
Ma'am.
Okay, Satvik? Okay. Keep the ball down, finish it, and then you can take the ball. Okay? Yes, Jay Krish.
Ma'am, this correct.
Yes, I'm seeing you. Wait. Okay, Jay Krish, you should touch the red line.
Ma'am.
Okay? Okay, see, Jay Krish, look at the screen. See, ma'am is writing. See, small. Jay Krish, look at the screen. Small one, touch the red line, and then put 7, and then bend, and this blue line put like this. Okay, Jay Krish?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yes, wait, I'll come. Kumaran, I'll come. Very good, Yuvan Sai. Perfect, Yuvan Sai. Very good. Yes, Kumaragopran, show me. Show me, Kumaragopran. You finished? Good, Sai Charan. You finished all. Okay, good. Yes, Dayanand. Very good, Dayanand. Yes. It looks neat, Dayanand. Okay, Kumaragopran. You showed me, I saw. Okay, yes, Sachin. I thought only capital F. We did not write small f. Please wait for my instruction. Okay, let others finish. Yes, Shravan. Good, Shravan. Yes, Roshan. Roshan, you got your worksheet? Okay. Okay, it's full. You're getting too closer. Ah, yes. Perfect, Roshan. I saw that. Good. Yes, Kumaragopran, I'm seeing it. Very nice, Kumaragopran. It looks perfect. Right the same way. Okay. Good job.
Ma'am.
Yes, Kratvik.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Kratvik. It looks neat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, then who else is left out? Lakshita, I saw. Leisha didn't join. Okay. What about who else is there? I saw everybody's. Did I miss anybody? I didn't see Abhya. Abhya, I didn't see. Yeah, Lakshraj. Show me, Lakshraj. Very good, Lakshraj. It's nice. Nice to see that. Very good.
Ma'am, I done.
Yes, I'm seeing you, Adya. I'm coming back to you. Very neat, Adya. Perfect. It looks neat. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good. Nivin Surya, I didn't see yours, Nivin Surya. Can you show me, Nivin Surya? Okay. Good. Okay. Mahaswin, I didn't see yours, Mahaswin. Can you show me, Mahaswin? Okay. Okay, Mahaswin. Okay, so now we are going to learn to write small f. Yes, Jay Krish. Others, you can complete f later after the class. Very good, Jay Krish. Yeah, this looks perfect. Okay. So small f, we are going to start writing small f now. Okay, you can. Those who have completed capital F, good. Those who didn't complete also, no problem. After the class, you can complete the rest thing. Okay, tracing and completing it. Okay. So now we are going to go to small f. Okay, I'm going to show you how to write small f. See, small f is you have to start on second blue line, a slanting line, go up, and then backward bend. Little difficult. Okay, put one, and like B, you did for B like that. You have to bend and do like this. Okay, I'll give you step by step. We'll do. First listen, then you can do. I'm going to start from the second blue line, slanting line. Okay, slanting line, go up. First I went up, then I did a backwards bend, come down, put one. Okay, then I'm going to bend again, come closer and do like this. See, what are the mistakes we'll make here? I'll tell you first. Okay, when you write, what we'll do is we'll start from here, go up here, and then come down like this. This is not correct. This is not correct. Same way, you go up, curved slanting line, touch the red line, backward bend. Okay, see, I'm doing backward bend. Then what you should do? Put one. You know to put one, right? Put one, come till the red line. Okay, so slanting line, touch the red line, backwards bend, put one, come till the red line, Okay, come till the red line and don't do like this. That wouldn't look nice. What you should do? You should come closer, very near, closer to this line, and then do like this. Then will the F will looks perfect. Is it looking neat or not? That's how you should write. So first, I'll give you step by step. First, everybody now take out a pencil from the second blue line, draw a curved slanting line, touch the red line. First, write this. We'll do step by step together. You're going to write with ma'am. Okay, everybody is going to look at the screen, write with ma'am. Okay, so first curved slanting line from the second blue line, touch the red line. Did everybody do this? Show me thumbs up if everybody do that step. Yes, I see few of you. Others? Yes, Lakshita. Yes, Adya. Next step, what you should do? Do a backward bend. Backward bend, put 1, touch the red line. From here, backward bend, touch the red line. First was like this. Next, backward bend, put 1, touch this red line. Did you all do this? Did you all do this step? Did you all do? Okay. Then, now what you should do? Backwards bend, touch the red line. Now, bend it closer, closer, closer. Then, closer, and then do a small curve like this. Understood, children? Satvik, are you writing, Satvik? Look at the screen and write, Satvik. Turn this side. Look at ma'am.
Hello?
It's not a
Satvik, I'm teaching you. You can look at the screen and write along with me. Will you write with me, Satvik?
Yes.
Okay, come. Let's write together. So first we'll do a slanting line. First write the slanting line, Satvik. From the second blue line, touch the red line. First a slanting line. Then bend it this way and then put a 1. Right till here. I'll see if you have written that. Show me if you have written, Satvik. Okay, your trace. Now you started writing separately. Okay, yeah. Then put a 1. Did you put a 1? Then come back and then bend like this. Is anybody finding it difficult? Let me know. We'll write together. Is anybody finding it difficult? Raise your hand. We'll write together. Ma'am and you will write together. Is anybody finding? Roshni, you're finding it difficult? Yes? We'll write together?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, come, we'll write. I'm going to show you the screen. Step by step, we'll write together. Okay, Roshan? Okay. So, I'm going to rub all this. I'm going to start from here. You have 4 lines, Roshan, like me. Okay, you have 4 lines like me. Okay. You have the second blue line. Second blue line?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start from the second blue line. Curved slanting line. First draw slanting line, touch the red line. See, I'm showing you. From the second blue line, write a curved slanting line, touch the red line. Like this. Slanting line. Slanting line, you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write a slanting line like this. Did you touch the red line?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll wait. Touch the red line?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now put a small curve like this way, back side. And then see, ma'am is writing here like this.
I write it.
You wrote that. Now put a 1, come 1, 1, 1, 1, touch this red line, bottom red line. I wrote a 1. See, I wrote a 1 and I touched it here. You're able to see that? I'll write again. See. You wrote till here. Roshan, look at me. You wrote this till here. Now put a 1. You know to put one line, standing line. Put a 1 till the red line.
Yeah. Touch the red line.
Put a 1.
Red line. Here, up to here. Now,
See, I'm writing now. See, rule cut here. See, till this red line, I'm putting a 1. Finished?
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now bend it here. Small like this. See? Like you. Right? You. Small you.
I bend it already.
Okay, then put like this.
Like
I write it again. See, you put you, then put a small c. Small c. Or put a small curve like that. Like B. Finished? You got that, Roshan?
yes.
You got it? Yes or no? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
You didn't get it?
Yes, ma'am.
You didn't get it or you got it? What for what you're saying yes? You got it? No?
I didn't got it.
You didn't get it? Okay, we'll practice tomorrow again. We'll get it, okay? Others, did you all write?
Finished, ma'am.
Good, Saichara. If you're finished, I said you know, don't unmute and say, I will see your notebooks. Okay, very good, Saichara. Okay. So now everybody wrote, Roshan is having little, he's trying now. If not, we'll continue again tomorrow. Okay. So everybody tried writing small f. Is anybody finding it difficult to write? Satvik, good Satvik. I'm seeing that. I'll see your notebooks later. Okay. You will have homeworks. No, you will write the same f. Okay. We'll practice in homework. You will get it. Okay. So I'll see that in homework. You need not show me now. I saw all your capital F. It looked perfect. Yes, Raravakshat. You can show me the homework too. So shall we all move to the next one? Yes. Yes, Lekshita. Okay, Lekshita. Good. If you start tracing, Lekshita, complete the homework and send me the photo. Okay? Okay. So now, at least you tried writing F, no? We'll practice it throughout the next week. We'll get it. No problem. You need not push it on the same day. Okay, children? We will move on to the next activity quickly. Yes? Yes, Lakshraj. Yeah, it looks perfect, Lakshraj. The second line, it's not, but the first one is nice. Good try, Lakshraj. Okay, children. So now I'm going to show you we are going to do the activity. What activity we'll do? We'll do the clapping activity or something else. Okay, we'll do the turnaround activity. Or we'll do the freeze game. It's been long time we did the freeze game, right? Keep your pencils down. We'll write later, no problem. We'll do the freeze game, okay? Keep the pencils down. We'll write later, no problem. We'll practice it. F is little difficult, okay? If we get F, then everything will get it. We have G also. Tomorrow we'll write G and F alone again, okay? Yes, Jai Krish. Very good, Jai Krish. You can keep your notebook done. We are going to quickly do the activity. Move on to the next item in the line. Stand up, children. Stand up quick. Okay. Roshan, we can practice tomorrow too, Roshan. I'll help you again tomorrow, okay? No problem. Okay. So, you know the freeze game, right? Ma'am will say some action. You will do the action when ma'am says freeze. What we should do? Stop. See, ma'am is doing flapping. Okay, let me share. Ma'am is flapping. Freeze. Ma'am just stop like that, okay? Ma'am is shaking her head. Freeze. I stopped, right? So like that, when I say freeze, you should just stop. You should not continue. Okay? Roshan, get up. Come on. All your friends are standing. Come on, get up. Okay. Shake your heads. Shake your heads. We have started the game. Shake your heads. Freeze. Arav, you're continuing. Freeze. I said freeze, Arav. Arav or Akshat. Who is that? Okay. Nod your head. Nod your head. Nod your head. Nodding is like this. Nod your head. Freeze. Okay. Shake your hip. Shake your hip. Shake your hip. Shake your hip. Freeze. Okay. Wave your hands. Wave your hands. Wave your hands. Freeze. Okay. Come back to your place. Children, come back to your place. Very good. Thank you, children. You did very nice. Okay. So what we'll do quickly, we'll do one worksheet. Okay. And then we're going to see Pepper's story today. You want story or not? You want story or not?
Yes.
Yes. So then we'll complete the story. F and G will continue tomorrow. Those who didn't finish, you do not worry about it. Okay. Tomorrow again we'll do F and G. Okay. So I will show you this worksheet. We'll complete this quickly and then we'll move on. Okay. Remember our friends who help us for building the house. S. Carpenter, electrician, mason, plumber and painter. You remember the tools they use? I'll show you. We'll just recall. Okay.
Ma'am, is this correct?
That. Who is that? When we start the worksheet, I'll come and check. Who is that? Yes, Sai Charan. I'll show you the worksheet. Do not worry, Sai Charan. First, we'll complete it. Okay. Yes, that is correct. So, electrician will use this tool, screwdriver. Okay. Painter will use brush. Carpenter will use saw. Plumber will use wrench. Mason will use trowel. Okay. So we're going to quickly match it. You're going to help me. First one, carpenter. I'm going to ask Adya. Adya, carpenter will use what tool here, Adya? This one?
What, ma'am?
Carpenter will use what tool? He will use this brush?
No.
Will he use this trowel?
No.
Will he use this spanner?
Yes.
No. Will he use this saw? Saw for cutting. This one. Carpenter will use saw and hammer. Okay, Adya? Carpenter will use saw and hammer. So, yes, we are going to join it here. Join this. Carpenter will use saw and hammer. Hammer. You see here? Carpenter using saw. See, he's cutting the tool with the saw, right? Wood with the saw, right? Carpenter will use saw. Okay, next I'm going to call Lakshita ji. Lakshita ji.
Say.
Yes, ma'am. What will electrician use? Will he use brush?
No.
No. Will he use this trowel?
No.
Will he use a spanner? No. See, look here. Look here. I'm showing you. Wait. What is electrician using here? See, this one. Screwdriver. Where is it? Help me finding it out. This one?
Yes.
Yes. So we're going to match. Very good. Electrician to this screwdriver.
Yay.
Varnika, can you help me with what mason will use? Mason to build the house. Who is that? If you have finished, you should not unmute and say finished. Ma'am, others also should finish, right? Please don't disturb others. Sai Charan, that is the worksheet, Sai Charan. Please take and do. If you have done it, sit down. Okay, let others do. Okay. Mason. Varnika, tell me Mason. He will use, yes, he'll use trowel. Yes, this one. Now Saichan is going to help me. Saichan, who is this? Working with the taps. Papa? Say Saichan. Plumber. Plumber will use that red one I showed you, know, that one and this spanner. Okay? Shall we match?
Yes.
Is it right, Saichan?
Yes.
Have you done the same thing in your worksheet?
Yes.
Okay, good. Just check, okay? Let others also do. If you keep on showing me, I cannot look onto others, okay? I'll call you, that time you tell me the answer. And then what will painter do, Gautam? Painter will use what? What will painter use?
Brush and paint.
Yeah, brush and paint box. Yes. Did you all match this? So carpenter will use saw and hammer. Electrician will use screwdriver. Mason will use trowel. Plumber will use the spanner. And then painter will use the paint can and the brush and the roller. Did you all match it, children? Did you all match it? Was this worksheet easy? Yes? Okay. So quickly I'm going to show you the what? I'm going to show you Pepper story. Okay? So shall we all see the Pepper story? Yes, ready? Okay, only if you all show me thumbs up and a smiley face, I'll start the story. Yes. Only when you all show thumbs up and smile, then I'll start the story. Yes, what about Kumara Guruparan? Show me thumbs up, Kumara Guruparan. Kumara Guruparan? Yeah. Gautam, show me thumbs up, Gautam. We'll start the story. Yes, Arjun. Very good, Arjun. Good. If you have finished, good. Okay, we'll start the story. Okay, first, the story. Are you able to see the story? This is the story. Okay. Pepper and Mama's new job. Our Pepper. And I forgot to show it. You know this? This is Pepper's mother. I'll show you first and then you can see that. See, this is Pepper's mother and this is Pepper. Okay, I'll tell you the story first and then we'll look onto the picture. So what happened? Pepper has grown big now, right? So he has to go to school. I will ask questions in the middle. If you are not listening, then you will get caught. I will ask questions in between the stories. So you all should listen to the story. So what story are we going to look into now today? Kumara Gurman, what is the story? Who is this? Very good, Pepper. We are going to look into Pepper's story. Okay, the story name is Pepper's Mama New Job. Okay, so you all come to school, right? You all come to school. After Corona, you are going to come to school. Last year, you were in junior KG, you were all coming to school. So what your parents will do? Your mother and father will go for work. Some of your mother will be at home. She'll be working at home. She'll be making food. She'll be cooking for you. She'll be washing your clothes. She's helping out in your homework. All your mother will do. And some mothers will go out for work, right? Like that, Pepper's mama, she thought, I also want to go to office. So I'm going to go to office with Pepper's father. So Pepper's mama also wanted to go to office. Okay. Pepper, no, he has grown big. So you cannot be at home. You have to go to junior KG. You have to study nursery. You have to go to senior KG. So Pepper's mother said, Pepper, you are going to go to school. After the school is over, you go to daycare and stay there. I'll come and pick you there. Okay, Pepper was very sad. He said, no, Mama, I don't want to go to daycare. I want to come home. You don't go to office. Pepper's mother said, no, Pepper, you should not say like that. Mama will go to office. You stay in daycare safely. I'll come and pick you there. No, Mama, I will not go. I will not go. He started crying. First, mother said, you will have many friends there in the daycare. Like school, in daycare also, you will have many children there. They will give you many toys. They will tell you stories. You can be happily there. No, I want to go down. I don't want to go. Like that he was crying. Okay. So now I'll show you the picture. Let's see what is happening after that. Okay. So the story name is Pepper and Mama's New Job. Pepper and Mama's New Job. So you know this is Pepper, right? So what happened? Pepper's mother is saying, Pepper, today I'm going to go for work. I'm going to go to office. Okay? You go to the daycare. Pepper is sad. See, he's showing sad face. He's saying, no, I don't want to go. I don't want to go. He's crying. And his mother is saying, no, I'm going to go to office. You cannot stay at home alone. Can you stay at home alone? No, right? So you go to the daycare. Pepper is asking, why do you want to go to work? Don't go to work. Stay with me. Then Pepper's mother is saying, you go to school. I will go to work. I also like to work. So they are going in what color car? I'm going to ask Satvik, what is the color of this car?
Orange.
Orange. Okay. RF, tell me, is Pepper carrying a bag? Is Pepper having a bag?
Yes.
Yes. Is he having a bag? What color is the bag?
Brown.
Brown. Is he got a tie on his neck? Is he got a tie in his neck? Yes. So Pepper is getting ready, but he's sad. He don't want to go to daycare. Pepper's mama is saying, I like to go to office. So you go to school and then you go to daycare. While I'm coming back from the office, I'll pick you. But Pepper is so sad. See, he's showing face up or down? Yuvansai, is he having the face up or down? Yuvansai?
Yes, ma'am.
Is he having the face up or down? Pepper's face is down or up? Down. He's looking down, very sad. Yeah. There he meets one of his friends. He's saying, what's up, Pepper? Why are you sad? Pepper is saying, my mother has got a new job. She is going to go to office. So after the school, I have to go to daycare. Where is Pepper's hand? I'm going to ask there, my friend. Okay, I'm going to ask Jaykrish. Jaykrish, where is Pepper's hand, Jaykrish, in this picture?
Lunch bag.
Lunch bag.
Where is his hand? In the pocket. See, he's having up hands in the shorts pocket. Okay. So he's very sad. Yeah, he's saying, no, I don't want to go to daycare after the school. Then his friend is saying, hey, don't. She's saying, don't worry, Pepper. He's asking, why? Then his friend is saying, my mother works in a bank. So after the school, I also go to daycare. After she comes from the office, she'll pick me up. Then Pepper is surprised. Laksha, show me surprise face. Show me surprise. Yeah, Pepper is saying, is it? Your mother is also going to job? She's also going to office? You also coming to daycare? Are you not scared there? Will you be sad there? No. She's saying, no. I will not be sad in daycare. There are many friends there. You come there with me. So Pepper is little happy now. Okay, I got a friend. So now after the school, where is Pepper going? He's going to the class. First, he's going to the class that all his friends are having the books. During school, we have library time. What will we do? We'll all read books, right? Like that, he's going and seeing. Then he's going to daycare now. Now he's going to daycare. See, she's standing there. Hey, Pepper, come on. Then she's saying, the small mouse. You see a small mouse here? His name is Steve. She's saying, this is my friend Steve, Pepper. Pepper is little happy now. Then there comes a cat. What it is doing? It is showing toy. What color toy is he having? This is Steve. Okay. Steve, whom should I ask now? Okay, I'm going to ask Ritvik. Tell me what color toy is he having in the hand?
Orange.
No, toy. What? Green color car. Yeah, Steve is having green color toy. So now Steve is saying, my dad is a doctor. You know doctor, right? She's saying, my dad is a doctor. Then what is Pepper saying? My father is a pilot. What do you mean by pilot? Anybody knows what do you mean by pilot? Right. So raise your hand.
Then travel. Airplane.
Ah, very good, Varnika. The person who drives the aeroplane, he is called pilot. Okay, those who drives the bus is called driver, right? Like that, who drives the aeroplane is called pilot. Okay, so Pepper's father is the pilot. See, she's having a remote and she's operating that car. Now they got many toys. Pepper is going asking Steve, is your mother is also going to work? Steve is saying, yes, yes, my mother is a teacher. What is he saying? Steve, my mother is a teacher. Then she is saying, my mother is an architect. You know, architect, they build houses. Okay. Then Pepper's mother is coming back. Pepper's mother is coming back and asking Pepper, Pepper, how was the day? Is Pepper happy or sad? Shiva, tell me, is Pepper happy or sad?
Happy.
Happy. Dayanand, can you tell me, is Pepper going happily with his mother? Yes, he is holding his mother is holding his Pepper's hand. And where are they going after the daycare? Dayanand, where are they going back? They're going back to home. Yeah, they're going back to their house. Yes, Dayanand, they're going back to the house. Kaushik, do you see here? Inside Pepper's friends, this girl name is Jean. And he is Steve. Steve, okay. I think we have little. Yuvansai, can you please sit down? Don't sleep. Sit down. Yuvansai, can you please sit down? Don't sleep. Okay. Then, so Pepper's mother is asking, Pepper, what did you do today? Pepper, what did you do today? You're going to tell me. I'm going to stop the story now. Pepper, Kumaragurman, what did Pepper saw? What toys did Pepper saw there? Did you see a car? Yes, Kumaragurparan. Did Pepper see a car? Kumaragurparan, did Pepper see a car? Are you all hearing me? Okay, I'm going to ask Arjun. Arjun, tell me, did Pepper see a car there in the daycare?
Yes.
What color car did Pepper see there?
Green.
Green, yeah, green color car. Okay. So, Grithik, tell me, is Pepper happy after coming home?
Happy.
Yeah. So, Pepper's mother is asking, Pepper, were you happy in the daycare? Initially, you were very sad and you didn't like to go to daycare. Pepper said, yes, Mama. I was so happy there. I got 2 friends, Steve and Jean. They gave me all the toys to play. So Pepper's mother is asking, Pepper, will you go to daycare tomorrow? Pepper says, yes, yes, of course I'll go. I'm so happy there. I'll not cry there. I'll not be sad. I'll wait for you there. You go to office and then come back. Pepper's mother is also happy. Steve is also, Pepper is also happy. Okay, so will you all cry if your mother goes to office? No, you should say, Mother, you go to office happily. We'll stay at home. We'll go to daycare and school, and you come back and pick us from daycare. Okay, that is all you have to say. Okay, children. Yes, will you all cry to come back to school when the school reopens? No, you should say, no, I'll go to school happily. I'll have many friends there. I'll have many toys there. Shiva, will you cry to come back to school, Shiva?
Say loud.
No, miss.
No, okay, Shravan.
I will be happy.
You will be happy to come back to school. Did you like the story?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And Mama's new job?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So we'll do the story again next week sometime later. Okay, when we have time, we'll do the story again. Okay, say bye to Pepper and Pepper's mom. Say bye to Pepper and Pepper's mom. Bye, children. Bye. Okay. They had their lunch. They told you a story.
Bye. Bye.